Today is the 3rd of July 2024. Let's look at the index and the VIX. Today was again a strong day. Um, Nifty went up by 162 points. Bank Nifty, which is the other main index in India, that went up by 921 points. India VIX has come down 3.19 percentage, not much, but it's still it has gone a bit less in percentage terms, which is good for us. So Nifty being strong, our strategy is more of a neutral strategy. This is more used, or we are doing this to see that when the market is not moving much, how do we kind of get some income from the market when the market is not in a trend. The first position that we took was on the 20th of June, as you can see here. And from the day we have taken this strategy on the 20th of June, you can see here that 20th of June is when it went up by 51 points. And after that, it went down 66 points. So those were the days when it was all good, the first couple of days. And after that, you see all these green candles, all it's one way up, right? It's all up, up, and up. So literally, if you look at where we took the position on the 20th, we took it at 23,600. We took it at 23,600, and today we are at 24,300. So that's a 700-point move in the last 10 working days, probably, right? So that's what has happened. But however, looking at our position, which was taken on the 20th, we are in still a profit mode. Today it went to the minus because the market opened in the morning quite strong, but then later on when we waited, it came down. So if you look at the position itself, it's gone right up there, right? It's gone right to the end. So there was two choices. Either we follow our strategy and say wait for the 12 to 15% loss, or the 30% profit, and tomorrow is the expiry. But due to the strength in the market, say for example tomorrow it opens up 150 points, then that will be somewhere here, which means straight away we'll be minus 20,000. So as we have just started, and we have not had accumulated profits till now, I made a decision to stop this position and come out of profit of 6,000 rupees today, so that first we could start collecting some money profits in our account before we start strictly following our strategy. So that's why you see in Angel One these two are closed today, 17,777. So the 4th July P and CE are closed. So we have the 11th July position still open. Now going to the but we will wait and watch to see what happens tomorrow, right? Because tomorrow if it even falls, say 50-60 points, and we finish there, we would make around 33,000 rupees or thereabouts. So I'll leave this position open. I'm not going to close it in this software, just to go back tomorrow and see if we had followed our strategy, what would have happened for tomorrow. Now going back to the second position, the second position seems to be behaving very well, because I think we took it on the 27th of June. So 27th of June is somewhere here, right? Where it went up by 175 points the previous Thursday. And from there on, it's been okay, right? It's been only a 300 point journey, if you see from there. And there's been up and down days. And that is the reason why you see a plus 9 month. And we haven't made any adjustment whatsoever. You can see that till date. From last Thursday, it's been a week and we haven't done any adjustment at all. So it's also getting to the end. but the only good thing is because we have still time for this position until the 11th. In case tomorrow it goes up here, we'll be at a loss, but then we can do some adjustment and adjust this position and see what happens. But if it goes down tomorrow, I think it'll be really good for us in this position as well. So basically, the strategy, that straddle strategy that we are following, we want ideally the market to be like this. From the 27th we have taken a position, and we need this up and down days, and in fact we want a bit more like this, like these days where it's a bit constant, and markets remain constant or nearly constant most of the time. Trending markets are only few and far in between in a year. So that's about it. So one position is closed, as you can see in Angel 1. The other position is still open, and we will see what happens tomorrow in expiry. This is still in 7 lots. So tomorrow I might take 3 more lots if it goes too much up. But if it comes down and we are in good profit, I might leave this position as it is, because that's 82,000 and 30% if we get, that's 24. So I'll probably not play around much with this. And then tomorrow or the day after, we will take a position for the next expiry, which is 11 plus 7, 18th of July, the Thursday following next week, Thursday. We'll take a position tomorrow evening, end of trading, or on Friday, right? That's about it. And we will again see tomorrow what happens. Okay, thank you.